My name is Lloyd. I'm studying electrical engineering at a foundation degree, and I work at TT Pumps. So my typical day in the workplace includes arriving at work about 9 o'clock and then reading emails and then moving on to do some CAD design. I take someone's specifications for a control panel and I try and incorporate that into an electrical schematic using AutoCAD software. I liaise with customers, any queries I have to email or call them, speak to them, and then I acquire and procure all the components necessary for the control panel, and I issue instructions for the workshop to produce and build the control panel. I decided to choose electrical engineering because my uncle did electrical engineering and he's done well for himself. And I also think that it was a strong point at school. In physics, I thought electrical engineering was one of my strong points, so I decided to go down that route. And also, I think there's a lot of opportunity within this industry to develop and progress. I was more than happy when I was offered the work placement at TT. It allowed me to get my foot into the ladder, and it's a great company to work for, and they have lots of opportunities, and they like investing in young apprentices like myself. My advice to anyone who's having an apprenticeship or thinking about having an apprenticeship is to do some research, find out what field you want to go into, and research what companies are good in your local area. Pick a good company and give it your best shot.